You about to roll over? Oh my gosh! You about to roll.
Feel that ache inside my heart. I can hold on any longer. I'm seconds from falling apart.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with like another day in the life vlog. Just gonna bring you guys along on my beautiful day. We're already claiming it, guys. I just hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It's early in the morning. I've already done my makeup. Your girl is beat. Fun fact, because everybody keeps saying, girl, your face is beat, you need to do makeup tutorials. That's how I started my YouTube channel. I started out doing makeup tutorials. I was a freelance makeup artist for about 6-7 years before I moved from North Carolina. If y'all don't know, my husband's in the military. I moved from North Carolina to Washington State. Now we're in Wisconsin. So yeah, just a little bit of information about me because I do have some new subscribers. So welcome to the family if you are new. But yeah, a lot of people keep saying, oh, you should do makeup, or just like a lot of stuff about my makeup because I've been wearing more makeup in the videos. I'm like, y'all don't know, I used to do makeup, like full-time weddings, just makeup, like that was my job, full freelance makeup artist. But anyways, I just hope everyone is having a wonderful day. We got SKYLAR right here. She woke up at around like 7 o'clock this morning. I love your doggy. I love your doggy.
But doggy walking.
Your doggy walking. What's your doggy name, Sky?
What other dog?
What's your doggy name?
Other dog.
Huh?
Other dog.
Other dog. She needs a name. We should call her Poochie.
Is that Fushy?
Poochie. We're gonna call her Poochie.
Fushy?
Sky, you don't like Poochie?
No.
No. Okay. We gotta think of something then. Susanna.
This is another dog.
Where? Oh yeah. You got a little small dog right here. This one's so cute. That's the baby dog. So yeah, we'll probably go outside, y'all. It felt so good outside yesterday, so we'll probably go back outside today, get some physical activity in outside, y'all. We stayed outside for like 2 hours. Me and SKYLAR was just running around, running up and down the hill. We was getting that energy out, and she got so much energy out because she was tired. Okay, she went to bed like that last night. Like, she got some good rest, and she is feeling good this morning, aren't you? You're feeling good this morning, girl. Yeah. One more thing, my husband went crazy on the Nike app. I didn't even ask for this stuff, but y'all, I did get a waist trainer because your girl trying to get cute for the summer, you know what I mean? So I got a waist trainer. I've been wearing it, and I guess since I've been wearing my waist trainer, he was like, let me get my girl some workout clothes. So he ordered me some workout clothes. They came yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, okay? I'll be right back. Alright, so let's do like a little Nike haul. So y'all already know I have these shoes, but I wanted to just show y'all how these shoes match with one of the outfits. So he got me these shorts right here, y'all. I love these shorts. I never had any. They're so cute. They're black. Got me this nice sports bra. This is so cute. This is really cute. He got me these shorts right here with Nike all over them. They're like black and gray. Now y'all know green is my favorite color, so this has to be my favorite. Got this green shirt, nice shirt with these shorts to match. And then y'all know he got me these shoes for Christmas. Cute. Yep. This is giving me motivation to work out. Motivation, okay? Got me a black sports bra, and these sports bras are so cute, so cute. Now these shirts right here, I love them because of the back. Okay, so here's the front. It's just a plain black shirt, but then hold on, let me get it right. Okay. Here, it's a plain black shirt, but then when you turn around, bam, it got like this nice little design in the back, and it has Nike. I got these black shorts. These are, hold on. Okay, these have white trimming around them. And then he got me a white shirt like the black one with the Nike in the back. So yeah, he got me quite a few things. I got me some nice workout clothes, some nice shorts to like work out in. I feel like I'm gonna be looking official, okay? So yeah, I'm excited about that, y'all. Fun fact, if y'all don't know, Sean has great taste in clothes, and he's never really bought me anything that I don't like. So I'm thankful for that. And honestly, I would have never bought these things for myself, even though they're things I want and things I feel like I need, like, to work at it. honestly I don't need it, but I would have never bought this, even though it's things that I want, because I'm a cheap girl. Like, I'm not about to go to Nike and spend all this money like on clothes. I don't know, I can't do that. Anyways, I need to get some work done, so I will talk to you guys a little later. I do have some more things that I just recently got from Nike, so if you guys want me to do like a try on workout gym wear haul / try on video, I'll do that for you guys. Let me know down below. I was sitting here thinking, I'm like, that might be something that you guys would like to see. So let me know, comment down below. Would you guys like to see like a try on haul?
I wake up on Sunday morning, feel that ache inside my heart.
So there's been a change of plans. Summer girl is awake, so therefore, what are we gonna do? You wanna play?
No.
So we're gonna play a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed SKYLAR some breakfast because it's like 8 o'clock now. She usually don't eat this early. Tummy time. It's tummy time. Hey girl. Summer girl. Hey sweet girl. It's tummy time. Where are your toys? So we can put some toys in front of you. You want some toys? You want some toys, girl? Summer girl. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey. 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 You about to roll over? Oh my gosh. You about to roll over? Oh, we got like a half of a roll. If this was not in the way, you would have rolled over. Oh my goodness. Summer, you just rolled over, baby. Oh my goodness, guys.
No.
Like, this is her first time rolling over, and I just caught it on camera. Like, I'm so excited. You rolled over, baby. And I got it on camera. Okay, okay. You want to get up now? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you rolled over. Let's roll. Let's put you back. Let's see if you roll over again. Sky, she rolled over. You gotta put clothes on. They can't see your body like that. So y'all, it's 6:15. Get ready to get dinner started. All right, come on. Get ready to get dinner started. Say.
Yeah, I don't have my clothes.
Yes, you don't have any clothes on.
No.
They can't see you like that.
Yeah.
No, they cannot see you like that. But get ready to get dinner started. I'm getting ready to cook some spaghetti.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go for a walk. So spaghetti is so quick, so easy. So as soon as I get done with cooking it, I'm gonna take the girls for a walk. I got my water boiling for my noodles. I'm getting ready to cook the ground beef now. And I was thinking about cutting up some onions, put some onions in there. I don't know. Tootsie Roll. Come on, do the Tootsie Roll.
I want to do Tootsie Roll right here and that.
Alexa, play the Tootsie Roll.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus.
Y'all, my noodles are drained, and let me turn this off real quick. So my noodles are drained, my meat is cooked, and now I'm going to drain that. I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. Just mix everything together. Of course, if you don't like you know, mixing everything, you could just add the sauce to your meat, but I like to mix all of mine together. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the eye, put my sauce in here, and then put my meat in there. It feel good outside?
Yes, feel good outside. Waggy.
You got dirt on your hands. You got mud on your hands. Ew.
I got mud on my fingers.
Yes.
And my shoes.
Oh my goodness. We have to clean your shoes.
And my fingers.
And your fingers.
And look at crosses.
It's a beautiful day. It's so beautiful out.
Yeah.
Yeah, she got dirt on her hands. We are just out getting us a nice little walk in before we go back in and eat dinner and get our baths and settle down. So we are back in the house, guys. I got my spaghetti. I got like a big plate with my 2 Hawaiian rolls. Skylar's eating hers. Summer went to sleep when we was outside on our walk. Guys, you just dropped your toy. Not Summer. Skylar's in there getting her bath. Sean giving her a bath, and I'm getting ready to get my shower. So I think they're about to get out. So I'm getting ready to get my shower once they get out. I'm so ready to take my makeup off. I feel like when I take my makeup off, I can just like snuggle with her, get all the kisses I want. And when I have my makeup on, I just don't want her near my face. So yeah, I don't even know why I just went on a rant about that. But my positive message for you guys today, I was watching this motivational video this morning, and the man said, it just stuck with me. He said, if you're not failing, no, if you never fail, that means you're not trying. No, hold on, how did it go? If you're not failing, that means you're not trying. If you're not trying new things, it's inevitable. Like, we're going to fail at certain things. But the only way to, you know if anything is going to work or if you're going to succeed at anything is you have to try. You have to try. And if you fail, it's okay. Because you know what? You can get right back up again and try something else or try it again. So whatever it is that you want to do, go for it. 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 You'll never know until you try. So if you're not failing out here, you're not trying. I hope that made sense. I should have went back and looked at it before I tried to share it with y'all, but I think that's how it went. But I hope you guys have had a great day. Yeah, we are just getting ready to chill out. Ain't it right? We getting ready to chill out. Yeah, we getting ready to chill out. Probably watch some movies tonight and just relax. Y'all, I have on the Lash Style Paris. All the lash styles are sold out except for Luscious, and I think I only have about 4 pairs of those left. 4 pairs of Luscious left. Like, oh my goodness, I meant to save me some Paris, the style Paris, before they sold out, but they sold out before I could even save a pair. But thank you guys to everyone who's been purchasing from my website. The last thing that we have is bra bombs, and those are almost sold out. So it's been hard trying to get shipments in because I've been getting emails asking when I'm going to restock on everything, and right now I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, but we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure your post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But I will see you guys in my next video.
Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, fall deep.